everyone, how is it going? I hope you're doing fine. In today's tutorial, we're going to create an animal flat illustration with blend modes in Inkscape. Let's begin. Alright, let's import the sketch to here by going to File, Import, and just this. Just hit OK. And bring to the page. Hold Ctrl Shift while scaling to make it proportional scale. Run this and place it in the middle of the page with align distribute object. Click this icon and choose the relative to page. Click this icon and this. You see in my previous video how to create a logo from images, that flamingo bird. In the end of the video, I said that there are many ways to create a logo, and this time we're using Sketch. This is my beginner sketch. Let's try to trace it with Inkscape. So in the view layers, click this and double click to rename the layer and change it to, and lock the layer. Create new layer again and name it. Hit it. Next, you're going to trace it with the Bezier tool. Press B and just follow the shape. I start from here. Click on here. On here, just click and drag. And on here as well. Just follow the shape. On here, just drag first, and while you're dragging like this, hold shift to lock the corner like this, and just release the shift button. Just continue, and on here again, drag first and hold shift to lock the corner. You see it's locked the one handle, and just release. And on this part, just do the same. And continue to this part. And for this, hold shift to lock the corner and release. On here, hold shift to lock the corner and release again. And on here as well too, lock the corners. On this, just do the same, lock the corner, hold shift, and just release it. Give some color to our new shape by clicking this and press D to activate the dropper tool. Change the color to this color, or you can input this color code to here. And select all, then right click, choose remove stroke. And give some dark background to the page. Click this rectangle tool. And make sure you turn on the snap to the page border, so when you drag in, it will automatically fill the page. And change the color to this color. Press F1 and send it to the bottom. Now the fun thing begins. We're going to create a blend mode by clicking the shape first. Sample this and change the blend mode to screen, for example. For your information, it's different the blend mode in fill and stroke to the layer. If you change the blend modes in the layer, it will change all the blend modes in this layer. So we're not going to use the layer blend mode, but in fill and stroke blend modes. Alright. Then I change this to screen. And this too, change the blend mode to screen. And this, change it to lighten. Change it to screen. And this to screen. And this to screen. and this to screen 2. Refine it to make it smooth by pressing F2, then click. You can delete this knot. Press delete. Just remember, the last knot is the smoother. Right? Bring it on here. And this too, you can drag it. If you find the color is like low saturated, just try to move the background so the background is in one layer. Create new layer, animate for BG. Place it below the deer, above the sketch, and move the background layer by clicking this and right click, move layer, move to background layer. Add more elements again to here with Bezier tool. Last thing, we're going to create a particle with spray. We're going to create a grass particle in here. First, let's create some shape with Bezier tool again. Press B and draw some shape like this. Hold shift to lock the corner and click. Change the color to this color. Remove the stroke and change the blend mode to screen. Alright, press F1. And while it's selected like this, click the spray icon. And you can change the parameter here, the width, the amount, the rotation. I keep to 0 because I don't want the random rotation. And scale to create a dynamics, set it to 80. And scatter by default is 1. Then try to spray it in here like this. You can change the color later. And let's change the color to this color. You see it cannot change the color because you have to convert it to path by going to path, object to path. And try again. Now the color is changed. Do the same for the other. You can block some area to make it fast. And go into path, object to path. And change the color. On these two. Try to randomize the color. And last for this. I'm going to duplicate some and resize it. Become smaller. Same method, create some particle again in here. So I'm just gonna duplicate this, press Ctrl D and place it on here. And with spray tool, just spray it. You can arrange it, change the color. I hope you learned something new, how to create a flat illustration with blend modes in Inkscape. You can do this in any object, not only for animals, but anything. You can check in the link description anything that you can make with this style of art. I'm Zakir from Zakir Design. Create something good today. Thanks for watching.